Today I'm going to show you how to scan a document and make it PDF with your iPhone or your iPad using a built-in application in your phone. It's called Notes app. So let's open the application called Notes app. As you see, it's already installed on my iPhone. So if you don't find it, just go to your App Store, or if you don't see App Store, just tap on your iPhone or iPad display and then scroll down. You see there is a search button here. You can just search for any application that you want. So in this case, I'm looking for Notes app. I'll just search, I'll type Notes, and I'll see it's there because it's installed. That's why it shows me that once I search it. So for now, I'll just close this and I'll go to Notes app, and I'll just click here to open it. Once it's open, you'll see that there is a camera button. You'll just click on the camera button, and we see different options here. For this tutorial, I'm just going to click on Scan Documents because we are going to scan the documents and make it PDF in this option. So I'll click Scan Documents. As soon as you click, your camera will be automatically on and it's looking for your documents. So it's scanned the first page, and once I put the camera closely, it's going to scan the next page. So you can scan as many pages as you want. I'm done. We're done with 2 pages. I'll click on that, and as you see, there is 2 of 2. That means when I scroll here, there is one the first page and there is the second page. So top option icon here, there is a color icon, there is a rooted color icon, and there is also the delete icon. So as you see, the text doesn't look good here. With this option, we can just make or fix the text properly. We don't want this white area, for example. We can just cut any area that we want. So once you're done, we'll just click on done, and as you see, we could cut the page properly with this option. The second option is here. Once you click, and if you want to have the documents in color, you'll just click on color. If you don't want it, you want in gray, you can just click this option. If you want black and white, as you see, click on black and white. If you want it as a photo, you'll just click here. You will see it looks as a photo, your document. If you don't want this page, for example, 2 of 2, you can just click on delete. It's going to delete only the page second. Any pages that you want, you can just delete, use this delete option. There is one more option, it's called retake. For example, we have scanned 100 pages. We don't want the page 20. We'll just go to page 20, like here, for example. Then we'll just click retake, and we want to just retake another copy. For example, I don't want this page, it doesn't look good. Then I'll click on retake. As soon as I click, the camera will switch on. I'll put the document down that I want to scan. It scanned it automatically here again. As you see, again, I can just work with that. So in this case, I think we are done with the scanning documents. You'll click on done. As soon as you click on done, you will see the document. You need to just click on save. So once you just let me click again on save. So once I click on save, you'll go to the next page. So that means you will see all the scanned documents that you already scanned here. Let me scroll here. First page, second page. And now we're going to share this document and make it PDF. As you see, there is a button, share button. Just click there, and you have different option to send the document. You can just send it to AirDrop. If you have another iPhone, you can just directly send the document using AirDrop, or else you can just send it through Gmail, WhatsApp. If you just scroll to the right, you'll see many different applications so that you can share with them if they are installed already. There is a Google Drive option, there is Messenger, OneDrive, and if you just click more, and you'll see these are the applications that I can share with. So in this example, I'll just click done, and I'm going to share it with my Gmail. For that, I'll just click on my Gmail account. As soon as I click, it's going to log in with my Gmail because I was already logged in, so that's why it's showing me. So it's saying to, I'll just click my email, it was already in the cache. So as you see, this is the document PDF. I'm going to send it to email, then I'll click on send. It's done, that means it's sent already. And let me close this application and open my Gmail and check if I have received it. I'll close it. Then again, I'll just scroll down and I will write Gmail. That's my Gmail. I'll click on OK. And so I got this document. As you see, it's already PDF. And then I click here, and that is the document which I have already made it PDF. So let me close this application and I'll open the Notes app again. Now I won't save it on my iPhone. There is also possible. I'll just click again to the share option and I'll just scroll down. As you see, there is an option that's called save to files. That means whatever document you want to save locally on iPhone, it will be saved on a folder. It's called files. So once I click here, and it's saying that save option. So as you see, I have saved all these documents. There are some audios, and if you see there, I have some pictures, and I'm just going to save this PDF in my iPhone as well. For that, I'll click save. So it's already saved on my iPhone. So how to find out if it's saved? Let me close this application and open where it is saved in my iPhone. I'll close it, and again, as I said, it was saved on a folder. It's called file. So I'll just search for file. You'll see this folder. Whatever you save on your iPhone, it will be saved on this folder. You need to just click on file, and as you see here, I just saved this document. Because it's recent, once you click on recent, then you will be sure this is the document that you saved recently. Once I click here, and I'll see the PDF is saved. So that was the second option, that I could save it on my iPhone. Let's open the Notes app again. I will show you one more cool feature on this application. So once you click on the camera button, there is another option. It's called scan text. With this feature, you can scan only a text from documents. For example, you don't want to scan the whole document. You just need to scan a specific line of the document, and for that you can use from this option. Let me click on that. Once you click, your camera will switch on again. As you see, there's a lot of text, so I want to have only this one. This is the best. As you see here, once I put my camera there, and it is capturing those areas that I selected. So once I'm done, I'll just click on insert. So as you see, it's just only capturing those lines that you want, which I found it very cool. The same way, you can just share this one. For example, you want to share this text, then again you can click here, so you can just share it whatever on any media that you want. So I'll just click on WhatsApp. As soon as I click on WhatsApp, so it's going to open the WhatsApp. You can share only the text. So that's it. Thank you so much. Please let me know if you have any question.